In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a datum plane on the edge of a cylinder in FreeCAD. Let's get started. So I'm going to create a new document. I'm going to create a new body. I'm going to create a new sketch. I'm going to sketch on the XY plane. I'm going to make a circle. Let's close that sketch. Let's pad that sketch. Let's make it 50. I'm going to create a sketch on that face, on that top face. Let me bring in that edge. Make a line. Close. Now the datum plane is going to go on that edge of that line that I just created. So I'm going to create a datum plane. As my first reference, I'm going to select that line. As my second reference, I'm going to select the very point of that line. And I'm going to make this normal to edge. And then OK. And there you go. Now another thing we might want to do is have a datum at an angle. So we can do that as well. Let me create a new sketch. I'm just going to make it on the same face. And I'm going to need to bring in that edge. So let's make another line from the center to this edge. Close. And then create datum plane. Same thing. I'm going to select that line as my first reference. As my second reference, the very end. So that point on the end. Normal to edge. Okay. But actually what I want to do is make this at a 45-degree angle, say. So I'll make this at a 45-degree angle. And there we go. Select OK. Now let's say I want to make a pocket using both of these datum planes that I just created. So I'll start with this datum plane. And we'll just make a sketch on it. Let's make a rectangle. Close. Make pocket. Let's go 10 millimeters in. We don't see it because the pocket is actually going in the opposite direction. So to change that, we're just going to press reversed. There you go. Let me hide this by pressing space bar. Hide this line. And there you go. There's a pocket there. Let's say we want to also make a pocket using this datum plane. So select on that datum plane. I'm going to create a sketch. Let's move this up a little bit, if I can. Make a rectangle. Close. Make pocket. Same thing, let's just go, I don't know, 15. Oops. And I'm going to reverse the direction. And OK. And there you go. That's how you create a datum plane on the edge of a cylinder at odd angles.